Okay, this unboxed. I bought this on Temu. An Android mini TV box. Let's see what goodies. Let's see what the Chinese imitation box, Chinese cheap China imitation got in here. And let me see what you're gonna get. Think about what you're gonna get. This, you'll get a remote control for that, of course. You will get an arrow here. I have to pull on to get it out of here. Yep. You'll get this. Oh yeah. Let me see what goes out of this. Oh yeah. You'll get this. Yeah. The seat power cord. Some kind of red dandy something there. Another. Oh yeah, pretty cheap. 8 cord, yeah. And, oh yeah, this is a box. This here, a very, very small one. This here is a really small one. Never seen anything this tiny before. Man, this is small. Whoa. This is very, very small. Got a cord for power here, and then, yeah, like that. I never seen anything this small before, and wow, this is very, very small. Matter of fact is, some of this stuff is pretty fancy for this. And of course, the owner's manual here. Typical Chinese mumbo jumbo here. Well, I noticed this is the smallest Android TV box I have seen. Smaller than I've ever seen before. And you can find these on Temu. I bought one because I want curiosity sakes, and why not? Yep, I can turn this on, see to where it made, and of course, it made in, oh, let me see, where would this be manufactured in? Yep, where would that be manufactured in? Yeah, ooh, yes, the motherland of China, made in the motherland of China, of course, go figure. Well, I'm going to say in the box probably too. Yeah. Everything in it very, very cheap Chinese imitation. Well, let's see how the Chinese imitation works in real thing. Log over.